Let me show you the exact formula we use to scale up Etsy dropshipping stores in 30 days.
For this, the niche I've gone with is Apple Watch straps. Now, the reasoning behind this is a niche that's going to be profitable for at least another year, but I can see this being profitable for about 2 years, depending on what Apple do with it. You know, Apple Watches are very profitable for Apple, and they're going to keep producing these kind of watches, which means you are going to keep having an audience. 2, there is a massive amount of designs, materials that are used in these watches, meaning that you can build up a store of, 100 listings very quickly. And to do that, you create a template listing, duplicate it each time, just change the photos, the core product name, a little bit in the description, and there you go. You know, the other reason is people that have Apple Watch straps like to have a variety of watch straps to choose from. So you're never going to run out of customers, and repeat custom is going to be very flourishing. So what can you do to get started? You firstly want to identify what you want to sell. And when I mean this, I mean, are you going to go with the rubber straps, the metal kind of straps, the fabricy, stretchy straps, rubbery straps like silicone straps like this, personalized straps, metal straps, leather straps, right? My advice would be do them all. Get them all up on your store to start with, maybe get 5, 10 of each. Then look at the data, see what is doing well. Okay, these type of watches are performing better than the fabric, which means you want to be getting more of these up, right? This is the first step of scaling your store. It's super simple, and it just means you just have to look at the data, right? The data tells you everything, okay? So you can use your quick stats. You can look at individual listings. Okay, this one got a lot of visits and favorites. Oh, but this fabric one got not so many, right? Now let's look at the search analytics. Okay, people are searching up Apple Watch straps, leather, silicone Apple Watch straps, personalized Apple Watch straps. Okay, I'm going to focus on that. That got the most of the market share. That's where most of my visitors were. Let's spread out there. Let's spread our wings and focus on that market. So that is the number one way of scaling, and you just have to have a really clear head, know what you want to sell, and look at the data. The next way is to make it super easy and quick for customers, right? So if we take a look here, delivery. Okay, so that's a big delivery window, but look, this store is doing very well. So these are probably drop shipping. Annoyingly, I don't have the extension on this new computer. In incognito, right? So you can come to market, you can take a look at your competition here. Here's the problem solving aspect, boom, boom, boom. And using a private supplier, you could get this to people by, early April, 1st of April, you could probably get this to people, right? If you want a private supplier, join the Discord. So they're dispatching from Hong Kong. This would be a store I keep my eye on. If you want to get into this, I would recommend looking up these. These are definitely drop shipping, and you want to see, okay, how did they grow so quick, right? So if we take a little look at them, okay, 152 pages. Look, they haven't even been going a year, right? They've been going 6 months, is it? Something like that, right? 6 months, 7.2 thousand sales. They're drop shipping too. Why can't this be you? Following this guide, this is going to be you, right? This is what you need to be doing. You need to be fast. You need to get listings up. You need to be seeing where your competition's doing well. How can you improve it, right? They even tell you what you sell, what's selling for them. Okay, floral, beaded. Okay, people are liking the floral ones, these ones, right? Here you have a page. The research is done for you right out of the gate. Okay, so this is going to be super, super easy for you, right? This is exactly what you want to be doing. You want to be finding these products and now getting them up on your store in different variations. Look, they've even got all this going for them, and they've got great reviews. So this just shows you the possibility, right? So scaling on Etsy is super easy, and it just involves using the data, getting more listings up using the data, getting that super quick delivery using a private supplier, and solving the customer's problems, right? So that is the exact 30-day plan that you should be implementing every single time. And it works. And, you know, we're only 5 minutes into this video and you're thinking, is that it? That is it. Okay? It is so simple. It's so easy. And guess what? This store is going to make you money year round. You know, so please, if you want to see more videos like this, drop a comment and subscribe because I produce videos like this twice a week. So have a great day, guys.